Hi everyone, this is Anne from Glam and Anne on Instagram and YouTube, and today I'm going to be demonstrating for you the proper way to use the Be Gentle, Be Kind Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo and the Kale and Apple Replenishing Superfood Conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and start by shampooing my hair with a 1 to 2 quarter size amount of product. I have a lot of hair, so I'm going to use a little more product, focusing at the root. This innovative formula combines the most vital fatty acids in fruit and vegetable extracts that address the root cause of dull, dry, and lifeless hair, lack of hydration, and essential nutrients. After shampooing, I'm going to apply a 1 to 2 quarter size amount of conditioner to my wet hair evenly from scalp to ends. And for people out there with thinner hair types, you can focus the hydrating conditioner from mid-length to ends instead. This is perfect for those of you out there with dull, lifeless, and dry strands like me, looking for an everyday solution to revive your hair. Now you can finish by styling your hair the way you normally would and follow up with your favorite Briogeo finishing product to complete your everyday wellness routine. These ultra-nourishing, strengthening, and hydrating formulas contain kale, which is rich in omega fatty acids to strengthen the root and hair shaft, spinach, which contains potent levels of hair and scalp essential vitamins and minerals, apple, which encourages strong hair growth, and vitamin C, which protects the hair and scalp against free radical and UV damage. This shampoo is the perfect addition to your everyday wellness routine. It's formulated to visibly replenish dull and parched locks with a supercharged boost of vitamins and hair-healthy ingredients. This SLS-free formula won't strip hair of moisture and is color safe. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.